TV Delmarva broadcast of the 2025 Santa's Workshop Parade in Greenwood, Delaware. Brought to you by our sponsors, State Representative Jesse Vanderwind and Sussex County Councilman Steve McCarran. Now, let's take you to downtown Greenwood with your host, Colin Walls and Jim Weller.
Howdy, 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 and good evening, everybody, and welcome to the parade. It's going to be a big evening, lots of things to see, and how exciting. So I just want to say hello. To everybody for coming and being part of the parade. This was one of the biggest parades they've had all year.
All year, yeah.
All year. This is one of the biggest ones.
About this time last year when they had another big one.
If you were in the parade or you watched part of it or heard about it and you want to see it again, we're going to be playing it on TV Delmarva on Christmas
Day. That's right.
But you can go to tvdelmarva.com.
It's the end of the parade, Jim.
There he is.
Are we ready to get out of here, guys, in the trailer? We are ready. All right.